Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a haul from Brenda. You guys know who Brenda is already. I have several videos on stuff that I purchased from her. She's Zavala1354 on Instagram. She's got like a little D-stash page where she sells practically everything, but you guys have to reach out to her, DM her, because she does run out fast. And yeah, I want to share what I got this time around. But before I get into that, I didn't clear up my space. I usually take off the mat and clear off the back piece to have an open space to do my videos. But today I was like, we're going with the mat. We're just gonna leave it like that. I want to show you guys this beautiful confetti mix that I made. I showed you guys in a previous video that I had made this mix, and if you follow me on Instagram, you saw that I posted this mix that I made. It was my very first confetti that I made, and then I packaged them up in these cute little washi tube bottles. But you guys, last night I made a new mix and I am obsessed. I think that this is my best mix by far. You guys, what do you think? Isn't this beautiful? I love it so much. Look at this. Look at this yumminess. I know we shouldn't use yummy for like craft stuff, but seriously, it is. Look at this. I am obsessed, you guys. If you have not tried to make your own confetti, you definitely should. I'm probably gonna do a video. It's just that sometimes I don't want to make videos because other people have made videos on it already, and I'm just like, why bother? But I think that maybe I'll do a video making some confetti and maybe creating a mix and packaging it up. What do you guys think? Let me know if you guys like that idea where I make the confetti with you guys, but I also package it up in some form of way that I figure out. I know that everybody's using the push pops right now, but I want to do something different. Since that video is already out there, I want to package it in a different way. So definitely let me know about that so that I can actually work on that. And let's start with the haul. So the first thing I got are some Nuvo drops, and these are the colors that I got. This one is, let me see if I can read the colors. Yes, is it? No. It says it dries translucent. So it's probably like a little clear dot. It looks pink in the bottle, but it says it dries translucent. So probably like a little peachy with us, like iridescent. Then we have this one, Nuvo glitter drops, in this beautiful like teal blue. This one is called Blue Lagoon. Can you guys see that? And these are my very first Nuvo drops. I have not tried these at all. And then the last one is this one, which is also Nuvo glitter drops. Oh, I didn't even realize I was off frame. And these are ruby slippers. Super cute. Cannot wait to play with those. And then I got a liquid pearls in mermaid. You guys, this color is giving me life. And then what else? The next thing I got is a few more of these ribbons, because you guys know that I am obsessed. I do a lot of things with these. I package, I do, you know, decorate stuff. So I got the pink one, the mint green one, and then of course the peach one. I'm working on getting the white one and the darker pink, but those are the ones that I have for now. I also got from her these Illustrator Spectrum Noir markers. Maybe I should try like coloring in, maybe for I lost my train of thought. Stamping. I have these little girls that I could probably color in with these. They seem pretty cool, you guys, and I think they're double-sided, and I love the colors. You guys see the colors? It's like nudes. The nudes, see, this is what they look like. And I think that these were on sale in Hobby Lobby. Is it? She always gets me stuff that I can't find in Hobby Lobby, because I'm always missing that. Yeah, see that? So you get like a thicker, a smaller and a thicker brush tip. So I am definitely going to play with these and see how they work. So we got those. And then you guys, I'm so excited. She sent me these cute little mermaid clips. Yikes, they're so beautiful. I am obsessed. I love them so much. You see, I feel like the reason why I don't leave my mat is because I think it's like too dark in the background. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take this mat out because it's gonna bother me the whole video. I just feel like you can see the stuff better if I do it this way, right? I won't take out my trays and stuff like that, but we'll leave it like that. But here are the mermaid clips. Aren't they cute, you guys? So I'm excited to have these. I've seen people post those. I got another pack of these, which were also like clearance out in Michael's. I didn't get this set. I got the set with, this one is the radio, the pineapple, the flamingo. I got the one with the mermaid, the doggy balloons and stuff like that. So I'm glad to have this one because I didn't have it. Then I got the Tropic Vacation paper pad from Michael's. I have this in 12 by 12, so it's good to now have it in 6 by 6. If you guys haven't seen it, super fun and perfect for summer swaps or summer projects. She also sent me 2 colors of yarn. She's always sending me little freebies with my orders. So how cute are these colors? And this is she sent me these because I don't know if these were freebies or if I got these. Regardless, it's in my order. And I got these too because, you guys, I got a pom-pom maker. So I'm super excited because I do have more colors and I have tons of yarn. So I'm excited to try this, and it's from the We Are Memory Keepers DIY Party Collection. So I'm excited to try this out. Super excited about that. I also got these cute little unicorn charms. I've seen Solange and I think it's Crafty Cutie or something like that. I can't remember her name right now, but she also hauled these. These are so cute. Then I got this super cute swimsuit die set with the stamps, which I didn't find in my Michael's. So I was glad that she had it. I got some Maggie Holmes little clips. This is like my 3rd pack. You can't have too much Maggie Holmes. That's like impossible. Then I got some dies from Maya Road. This is so cute. You guys, how adorable. It's the Cloud die set. I love this so much. I cannot wait to play with this. And I love when the dies are like pink or blue, other than just that plain silver. So cute. And then I got this We Are Memory Keepers gems die. And this is what it looks like. I think you get a few gems. Like you get all these different ones. So these 2, I think it is. It's 2 dies. So this one and this one. How fun is that? I want to start playing more with my dies. Then you guys, look, she found the little unicorn tag set for me. I wanted this so bad. So cute. I'm doing a unicorn swap. I'm involved in a unicorn swap, and I cannot wait to use all my unicorn stuff for it. She also sent me some gold tissue paper, which I'm excited because I can use this when I make my confetti. I didn't have any gold, so I'm definitely going to use this. I used one that was already a pre-made one. Then you guys, look at this tissue paper. How adorable is this? It's little unicorns, and the color and everything, so cute. Obsessed. Next thing is these cute little Dear Lizzie adhesive, can't speak, adhesive tickets, and they look like this. And I've never seen these. You get 40 in the pack. The little clear thing came off from the front, so that's why it's all the way back there. But look, you guys, how cute. I love these. And then she also sent me the goodie bag the guide to make the treat bags. I saw a bunch of you guys hauling these and I couldn't find it. So of course I went to Brenda because she's my source and I got it. And I'm excited. Also got 2 packs of these little charms, some hearts, some keys. Super cute. My wife loves keys. She might end up stealing those from me. I got some cute little alphas from American Crafts. I love the black and white. Super fun. And a pop of color. And then I got the Jen Hadfield homemade collection. I don't know what's the name of the collection. Yeah, it's the homemade, I think it is. So I got the ephemera pack and the puffy stickers and the cardstock stickers. So I will be getting the paper pad as well to this in my next order. Of course, some more Maggie Holmes flowers. I always stock up on these with her. And then I got the pink paisley, turn the page wood veneers. Those are the ones you get. Look at those colors, you guys, how pretty. I love these. And I have the full collection, so I didn't have the wood veneers. Another punch I got is the We Are Memory Keepers frame punch. I have been wanting this for what seems like forever. When I saw she had it, I definitely had to pick it up. I love this and I cannot wait to play with this. You guys, if you don't see anything on her page, just DM her and ask her and she will help you out. I promise you. But if you don't see it, a lot of people message me saying they don't see what I'm showing, but message her and ask her and she will tell you if she does. Next thing up is this chipboard. You guys, when I saw this, I nearly died because I have been looking for this for what seems like forever. And look, every time I go to put it in my cart in scrapbook.com and I go to pay, it's like out of stock. So I'm so happy. I have the collection to this. I just don't have, like, I have the papers. I don't have, oh, and the ephemera, of course, because I bought the digital. So now I have the chipboard. This collection is so beautiful. I love it. So I got that one. I also got the Mermaid Tales by Echo Park. These are the cardstock stickers. And then we got the cardstock stickers. And then I got the cut apart sheet. This one is, I don't know if it has names. This is the journaling card one and it has that on the opposite side. This one. And then that's the opposite side. How cute are these cards? Did I show you these? I don't know if I was in frame. Sometimes I forget and start looking at myself and forget that I'm filming. There's this one. And look at the mermaids, you guys. How cute. I also have this in digital, but it's always good to have the physical as well. Look at this. Look at all these cards. I love it. The clutter cards, I love. And then we got the borders. And I got two. But wait, I thought it was 2 of those. And this is the opposite side of the borders. And then there's this one with the mermaids, but in a peach tone. And then that's the opposite side. You guys, this collection is so pretty. It's super cute. So I got that. Let me just push this aside. And then she sent me these super cute unicorn papers. Aren't they pretty? I haven't seen these. So I got 2 sheets of those. It's my recollections, actually. I've never seen them in my micros. And then I also got these 2, which have little gold bows. How fun are these? So delicate, you see that? Little tiny mini bows. And the baby pink. And then you guys, I'll show you this last. I got the confetti. You guys know that these were, I don't know if it was Tuesday morning or somewhere where they were going on sale, so she definitely hooked me up. So I got that one. I got the poolside, and then of course I got the open book one, which everybody's been hauling. You guys know I have a decent sized collection of chipboard, so these will be added to that. And then I also got the Havana collection. So I got the 6x6 paper pad, which looks like this. You guys already seen this all over Instagram, YouTube. I'm sorry if the camera's shaking, I hit the table. But it's so pretty. These are all the papers you get. I love it. I also got the tickets that come with the collection. So cute. Does it go this way? Yeah, I think it goes this way. Aren't they pretty, you guys? And then I got the sticker sheet. Is this? Yeah, the sticker sheet. You get 55 stickers. I cannot wait to create something with this. I'm just waiting on the ephemera pack that she ran out of. Look at these chipboard pieces. How beautiful is that girl? Love it. So I got those. And then lastly, you guys, I have seen so many people haul this paper pad and I needed it in my life. And she found it for me. It's the Terrace Blooms. And this is by Paper Studio. But you guys, do you see this? I am beyond obsessed to play with this. This is beautiful. I think the fact that I'm doing that is like making my phone, it's like blowing at it and it's making my phone shake. You guys, this paper pad is life. Those are the papers you get. You get the like the rose gold foiling. You get 60 sheets. Like, look how thick that is. Obsessed. If you get anything from this haul, you need this paper pad in your life. You need it. It's amazing. But that's it, you guys. That's it for my haul. I think it's more than enough. I think it's amazing, and I cannot wait to play with all my things, because Lord knows I need to start using some of my stuff. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for all the love on all my videos. You guys check out my giveaway on Instagram. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when I upload a video. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Love you guys. Bye.